To be. Or not to be. That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles and by opposing, end them.
Oh, that's beautiful, Nigel. What does it mean?
Death, Gabby. It's about death.
Oh, Nigel, I love it when you get all dark and brooding.
Hey, Bird, it's showtime.
My audience awaits.
From the streets of Rio to the Amazon jungle, the bird of mystery. Gather round. Don't be shy. Learn your destiny. Hey, get away from those. Back to work.
Mommy, I want one. I want a fortune.
Welcome, Madame. This amazing cockatoo will reveal your future. All right, Bird, pick your fortune. Come on, Bird.
You're doing great, Nigel.
Voila. Pick it already.
Come on, gang. Almost there. No more flying today. We've got a boat to catch. According to my little friend here, this boat will get us there by morning.
He'll live, but he'll never fly again.
You're doing great.
What's taking so long?
That bluebird caused my misery.
Nice birdie.
Why are you hitting yourself? Why are you hitting yourself?
Wow. Nigel is muy macho. Thank you. I'm free! Poison frog!
The croaking cockatoo doth bellow for revenge. That's Shakespeare, by the way.
Without your performance, it's nothing.
Fair point.